Hello, beloved listener. This is Prophet Siphamandla Woho, the herald of good news. Join me now for a Rhema word for you today, and your life will never be the same.
I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem. This new Jerusalem, this new city, it was coming down out of heaven from God. The new city, the holy city. But God Jongile, this Jerusalem, this holy city, it was prepared like a bride. It was dressed to meet her husband. Yes, it was one of our needs. But I need a little bit of yes, we have to the band like the buzz of chat. You just could say that we are late. But yes, then in future, the new year, so Chadi Bandalaga, who them nine, Mother Bogabasha, the sea, Chayonga, Mother Bazaga, must call again now. We yes, I got Shumayensi into Angayensi. Nina Ninga manifest and Jan Jagonia Bagati Bangata tonight. Musabana Banjani, Onyana Mutiko. Ganda Gachati. It's only very Jani Gonya, but standing here. They got something to be in business. I'm not going to incidents. They got what's back on you. They get Tali and we decided to kill a Goyan. But that's about what I got to the nugget. So I saw the holy city, the new Jerusalem, prepared as a bride. Let me honor me who put on my one way for them on this way. Glory be to God. Because who John like that praise God, who called Messiah, praise God, who didn't declare Caesar, it's about the get to best club, as this is Yata, as this is Luko, who Riesa, but I'm not going to holy, but I'm not going to holy, but for the killing Caesar, who you are, I ain't even just a ring bearer. But now, yes. So at the cross, Jesus was united with his church. He was made one with his church. We were married with him. We are one with him. We are his. Then go away. That is why we're pulling on the man about Are you not one with him? I got to ask him the person of Huga until Lena Inyama Yam, Lena Letabarama Tabam, or Kokabu to Atlantis and Donny, who fast. I want to know what Ephesus chapter 5 in the Bible, we are bone of his bones, flesh of his flesh. I got to want us to religion and no man can say that we saw getting a car and body and go crash to. So proving that nobody who are already one with him with the flesh of his flesh, we are bone of his bones, we are one with him, we are his. They don't know it. So Revelation 21 is a fulfilled